to write the extension method for converting the particular string to proper case. Okay, so let's add using system. Okay, now let's this okay public while working with the extension method. So extension method nothing but a static method inside a static class. Okay, so static class, then string extension, this is a class name. Inside this class we'll have to create a method like public static string to proper case. Okay, this is a method name. Okay, so extension method can work with the this operator. Okay, inside that let's add a option to just check whether that string dot is null or empty str. Okay, if it is null, then we'll have to return the input. Instead of str, let's give the input. Okay, this will be the better naming convention. Okay, we'll have to return the input. If it is not empty, then what we have to do, we'll have to use the existing method, that is char dot to upper, and then we'll have to use or we'll have to read the first character from the input string, character of 0. Then we'll have to map the rest of the substring. Okay, input dot substring from 1 onwards, means the 1 onwards means the index location 1 onwards dot to lower. Okay, so in this way it will convert the first character to upper, rest it will keep into the lower. Okay, it will club the string and it is returning the string from this method. Okay, so this is the extension method which we have created. Now it's time to execute that extension method to check whether it is actually working or not. Okay, now let's in the program static void main, static void main. Inside this, let's say string name equals to .NET interview hub. Okay, as you can see, the complete word is in lowercase. Okay, now this is a string method. Okay, now we can use this method with the string class only. String dot to name dot to proper case. Okay, now let's try to print the output. Right line formatted output, formatted. Okay, now let's try to build the application and run the application. Okay, build is succeeded. Now let's try to run the application. Application is running properly. As you can see, formatted output is .NET interview hub. Okay, you can see the first character has been converted to uppercase. Okay, the first character of .NET interview hub has been converted to the uppercase. Okay, so in this way we can say that extension method has been created. Okay, there is a one more question, like if you wanted to pass a custom value to extension method, is it possible or not? Okay, is it possible? Okay, how we can say that? Okay, let's create a one more string variable called second param. Okay, and let's say we'll have to merge the second param also. Okay, and how we can pass? We have to pass from here. Okay, .NET interview hub by Nikhil. Okay, let's add a proper space here. Okay, now let's try to run the application and see the output. Okay, let's club this .NET interview hub by Nikhil. Okay, formatted output equals to. Okay, now let's run the application. Okay, so there is no build error. As you can see, formatted output equals to .NET interview hub by Nikhil, right? So this for senior folks, this question has been asked, how we can pass the parameter to extension method. So ensure that while explaining, you have to ensure that we'll have to create one more string variable and we have to pass this variable to the method name. Okay. I hope you got the clear understanding of how we can create an extension method, real-time use cases, and how we can pass an extra parameter to extension methods. Then yeah, so there are multiple real-time use cases, as we can see, like converting the proper case, then converting to the upper format to lower format to upper format. Then we can create one more example for date extension method, that is converting the date to the ISO format. So these are the real-time examples of custom extension methods.